Exclusive. Kimi, inalala ang memorable na lambingan at harutan ng ka-love team na si Paolo. Ang bongga lang na muling binalikan ni Kim Chiu ang masasayang moment, harutan at lambingan nila ni Paolo Avellino ha. Yes, bagamat sabi nga niya ay long overdue na pero super kilig pa rin ang dating sa mga fanay ha. Heto nga ang chika ni Kimi. Thank you, long overdue. Grateful beyond words for this beautiful journey with my love will make you disappear. This movie came a long way with its fair share of bumps and unexpected turns. But through it all, I am deeply thankful for the opportunity given to me. In a time where so much content is just a click away, being trusted to lead a film made for the big screen feels incredibly special. Thank you, Star Cinema. 173 million pesos and counting, highest grossing Filipino film of 2025 as of to date. To the amazing people behind the scenes, promo team, creatives, writers, Direct Chad Vidanes, my wonderful co-stars, and my leading man Paolo Avellino. Thank you for your heart, time, and dedication. To everyone who organized black screenings here in Philippines and across the world. To the Kimmers, Kimsters, Paus, and Kim Paus, your love, effort, and endless support never fail to lift us up. To all the malls we visited, maraming salamat at sa mainit na pagtanggap, and to everyone who watched the film, maraming salamat po. My glass almost emptied, but I never did because your love and support fueled me all the way, and for that, I am grateful. Mabuhay ang pelikulang Pilipino, mabuhay ang rom-com, mabuhay tayong lahat na patuloy na naniniwala sa pag-ibig. This is Sari saying maraming salamat sa tiwala at pagmamahal. Forever grateful. PS, kulang ang 20 slides sa mga memories na gusto kong i-share. Hehehehe. At yes, makikita pa nga sa 20 photos na pinost ni Kim ang iba't ibang masasayang karanasan nila sa piling ni Paolo. Bongga talaga. Well, ganyan nga naging memorable kay Chinita Princess ang first movie nila ni Paolo, kaya naman todo ang pasasalamat niya sa lahat, lalong higit sa ka-love team. Game na game ulit gumawa si Chinita Princess ng movie with Paolo, kaya naman abangan pa natin ang maraming pasabog ng Kim Pao. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.